Alright, so hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to hop on real quick. I just changed my hair. Dang, my battery is about to die. Alright, so I'm gonna let my battery charge, but I'm going to hop back on. Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just let my battery charge up a little bit more so that I can record this little vlog. My nail just broke. Anyways, y'all, my hair is from Raw My Hair Collection, and then this is the same bundles that I wore in my high ponytail look. I haven't really customized it too much just yet either, so that's a whole nother thing. I just added a frontal and a bundle. Yeah, that's that. And the camera that I decided to order off of Amazon was the Canon EOS Rebel T6. I really like this model. Ooh, don't mind my broken nail. I just cleaned my room. My room is pretty junky, so I'm not gonna lie, these past few days I've been feeling kind of weird. I've just been in a weird mood, like just in a bad mood. Do you ever just get really emotional out of nowhere and you're just like, what's wrong with my emotions? I can't figure out what's wrong with me, but I'm just in a mood I can't quite explain. It's like I've been very irritated and anxious at the same time, which is just like a bad combination. Do my subscribers want to see a swimsuit real quick? I feel like I have something in the mail. Just checked the mail, got some packages, so we'll see what this is. All right, y'all, so I just went outside to check the mail, and I have some more packages. So, I'm joking, I did find my business taxes. Oh, should I try these swimsuits for you guys? Should I wait till my release? Should I try these swimsuits on, or should I wait for my release? I'm gonna try a couple on because it's just so cute. Ooh! Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna have to try this on for y'all. I'm gonna try some clothes. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is one of the tops. It has ruffles. This is the back.
I'm ready to see the black one in action.
Oh my gosh, my legs are hairy as hell. Woo! I'm gonna try on one. I'm gonna try on one, so it has to be a good one. Ooh. I don't want to show y'all the whole collection, but I kind of want to show y'all just one more taste, one more. Ooh wee, I love. Ooh, I just love what this does to the girls. But you guys, I'm so excited to release these swimsuits. Y'all will see the full collection on March 1st, so super excited. But nonetheless, thank you guys for coming to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm about to go out later, so I'll include that footage as well. But yeah, if you guys do not hear back from me, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you for just coming. I feel like I'm in a better mood trying on my pieces and getting excited. So I'm really excited. I have my camera now, so I'll do the shoot next week. I just gotta figure a couple more things out, but nonetheless, super excited. I look really good in this swimsuit, so you guys be on the lookout for my swim drop. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of these clothes. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get out of these clothes and run my errands. So if you guys don't hear back from me, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for watching. this is what we're going with for today. I'm wearing biking shorts because it's kind of warm, a white bodysuit tank top, and then this denim jacket. So yeah, about to go look at these apartments. Kind of late. It is 2:30, so I'm gonna try to look at as many as I possibly can. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. So yeah, let's go ahead and go because I got shit to do today. Just need some lip gloss and my keys. Are you ready? Or are you still? Thank you. I don't know what I got myself into. I decided to go with the Canon EOS Rebel T6 lens stuff. High definition. Ooh, a tripod. I'm really not the type to like read instructions and kind of go by tutorials. I kind of try to figure it out. But so this is my big body bends right here. Ooh, I do not know how to put this thing together. This does not look like a camera on the inside, so. Okay, is this the lens? Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow, so this is like gonna be some getting used to. So I got tired of trying to find a photographer to shoot with since mine moved to Texas. So I decided to buy a camera. So this is what I decided to buy. My hair is getting really big, so I'm gonna try to put something on it and tame it. This is just getting too big for me. It is. Okay, ooh, the lighting's actually okay right here. I feel like with this hair, I want to try some lip colors. I don't know what lip colors, but send me some suggestions. Dang, I gotta stop saying. What else is going on? I'm kind of tempted to show you guys, but then again, I kind of want to wait and hold on. Just wait a second. Nonetheless, thank you guys